Iyong o kasalelia mango. Ay chingal sakaratan kapung o wow pan kupran sa machay coach. Kay poni pon raksoko and pon peyu pachuan won ki isoko likan ko nanalam ko o nan kanyekan. Ay chingal wow choror ang kopnan wain pon pay koryawan kopna. Speaker kay sa kewan pon pay state legislature o yang amuson kawata kasunat kan chorus. Wonki son ko kung labalab o yang amuson ko kung kan chorus. Samorokan labalab kaiti o susta kan chorus nan palian momotso chiak o government. O pachuan wonki chon way unsa. Yes sok mache Rongen Rahnwet o sok mamoy sambaba Frauling Frederick mepan pachuan pakita au tapan rongkaj. Hirokayo payas leltiati water system. Rong Sang Gan Kochen Palian PUC, the PUC Public Relations Officer Mr. PJ Obispo. Project and Postpan Pipe and Peel Mebacho Sang Payas Palakar Melanlar Nan Kosanan Tiati Wayne Kichi Me Ele Rai Rai Ki Mail Walu Pachawan Im Saklar O Kasarawian Rishtayo Pachawan Wiawiyar Ni Chanmura Riesak Par Yagat Riesak Wano Ni Opsan Wayne Kichi Pachabach. Project Watch Pan inanin sawas, kamangayala ananan pil ong nan kausakan makin sakulman kita chingolan ki kapol pan pil. Project Watch pachuan poitar sang ni eupanan palikan, mayay government and when US, Evasam national government, Ponpe state government apmel at PUC mapachuan apalyatar Project Watch. Sa kusalang nan morgen wen kichi o isanan kanin wen kichi makachincha pui kachtian kasarawian rano ni aupusan lukan malap mayanga kasabot mar somaskan o chon way kat mawiyayar kulal sansal en uchuch sang parian walanwaw en wen kichi. Lukan malap en wen kichi pachawan tola o pachawan ta chungal kapeng pwede uchuch o sawaskan Magan sang government and way namarka niyagan way tato pan apwal ka way and tato club kan magan sang government lab and evasam on Ponpe State. Project Watch pan aleta tato kan pil makalakal kamangay pan pil ang nan kausan kan melan nan kausap tiyati o wasa kan makarani pan inanan sawas laut nan palyan rason wow and John Way. PUC o palichekan pachawan taray chingal kapeng, pwede kawait pan Project Watch, uchuch panan palikan, mauyak kilal sansal, ang angin kailap, te ew panang palikan, mekan kapayatar puka ew, melal, mebanuya, kairtan, way, pwede anaramas. Hirakaryaw ye ribbon cutting ceremony. Rong Sang Obusan Public Information Office, Obusan Kopna, Wayne Ponpe. Kasarawi and ribbon cutting, the Richta and Ononta Sabalan Public Health Building, the Primary Healthcare Clinic, Mebacho Nanwain Notch, Pachuan Paitar Niara and Chanwari Sakisu Pariang Tri Sakwano. Kopnanwain Ponpe, the Honorable Stevenson A. Joseph, Pachuan Wia Chingal Kapeng, Melalang Government and Wayne Japan, His Excellency Nopuo Kakomia, Pwede sawas the nation maalata kwaitan ununta sapal and clinic watch. The nation watch pachpacho nuwan chala wananan silikit mabachiwan sawas to sangan government and win Japan pan kawait and Japan embassy and win evasam ang Ponpe state government. Kopnacho sa pachuan sakarkita chingal kapeng o yech me pachuan nanachingal sakarata.
What's wrong? Administrator and TNIU yung amoy manakap Dave Hawkins. Una siya bilwang nupi Chief and Public Health the Primary Healthcare Mr. Rebel. O sabon mo yung mutual staffan mo. Your Excellency, I wish on behalf of Pompey State government, but particularly the people of Pompey, say once again, arigato. Kailangan. For the many assistances that your government have bestowed on to the FSM, but particularly Pompey. I lost count. There's so many projects that have come and been implemented. There are some that have yet to be it's completed, but yet to be closed. Sorry to say that. But I take particular pride in this one because I remember almost 2 years ago there was another get together here, and we sat down and signed a contract or an agreement accepting the money that has been accorded to Pompey State in the amount of, if I'm not mistaken, US dollars $63,000. Yes. To renovate the primary healthcare clinics that houses prenatal, antenatal, NCD clinics, MCH clinics, well baby clinic, physical exams, HIV and STI clinics, and other clinics. So from this list, we can say this is the core mandate or core responsibility of the primary health division of our Department of Health Services. And I say I take pride in it because I took part in the beginning, and now we are seeing the completion. So hopefully today when we walk in, we will be happy and satisfied with it. And I'm sure we will be. And I want to extend a word of thanks to the administrator for getting this done. Although a little bit late, took almost 2 years, but it's completed. And I'm very thankful that it's completed while I'm still in office and you're still here on the island. Because most of the time, projects get delayed and then the ambassador would leave and then later on it would be over. But at least we received one project and we saw its completion during our time. So for that I'm very thankful and I'm sure you are too. But going forward, I want to commit our public primary healthcare workers, especially the clinicians that will be utilizing this renewed or renovated facility, and take care of it to the best of our ability. And I will make sure of that. Yes. And I hope that Chief will take note of it. Let's show our appreciation in these generosities and take care of it better than how we take care of our own things. I always value generosity such as this. And once again, Pompey is very grateful for your government's continued assistance, and particularly for our country's enduring partnership that we've forged many years ago, and I believe that it will continue to many years to come. And likewise, we continue to partner with you in our socioeconomic needs, wherever they come up, and we continue to hope that future generosities such as this will arise. So with that, Mr. Ambassador, that's my short remarks, opening remarks. Basically, on behalf of the Pompeian people, again, to sum it up, kailangan ng goal. Ayun, kailangan ng korupsyon.
Ira kasulu o kaim saklan ira yay education day para yagtriye sapwano. Ni January silisap para yagtriye sapwano. Kasarawi and education day yagtriye sapwano pachuan poita. Ni Chim mapachuni Nach Elementary School nanwi Nach. Program mo chapter club 12 palmaisang. Melukapanar chun tatakan koros nan pali takampan kamarain and Wayne Pompey. Sampatak Principal kan John tatawag the staff kan sa nga ECE, elementary, high school and Wayne Pompey sak pachang private school kan. Chuan tatak and Department of Education main office na bachuan host the kasane o kalwa program watch. MC and Ran kasampal watch. Ye Mrs. Ilani Simon Mabachewan Lukayanger Lukato o chorus non-program kasampal watch. Oralap and Education Day Yakatri Sakwana watch. Ye pukon kakairata sariman, ye uchuch panan chon kausapweo, temasansal ni pachon wai. It takes a village to raise a child. Mabachawan chapyatar program and education day which ye kasarawi and uptan like Mabachawan miawi sang sok machel police kanan win notch ho state police, pachang kolin ponpi state anthem, Mabachawan miawi sang chon school and omene elementary school. Juan Paran Mitian Chinet, the senior pastor Mitian Chinet, met Pachuan Patar Kapakaban Rachinta, Nan Kasarawach. Sakaratan Kasam Eo Pachuan Miawi, Sang District Administrator and Wainach, the Honorable Daniel Edgam. Nanachingal Sakarata Pachuan Kasamo, Lukoto Kankorus, Makach the Bachang, Mayangakasok Machel Kapnan Wain Ponpe, the Honorable Stevenson A. Joseph, Senior Pastor Midianet, Deacon Henry Tundra, Director in Education Mr. Stanley S. Edson, Director in Public Safety Mr. Eldest Philip, Speaker in Congress Korea Sapayo the Honorable Esmond Moses, Waliapan Kampan Kamarain Sang Government Club and Evasam Mr. Wayne Mendiola, Madam Chair Phyllis Silvanus, all board members Mabachong, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Ambassador and Wayne China, His Excellency Wu Wei, Ambassador and U.S., Her Excellency General Johnson, Waliapan UNICEF, Lugotokan Koros, Mepachang, Sampatakan, Principal Kan, Panaynay, Ocho School Kan Koros, Met Chawatar Program and Education Table. Murin Sagaratan Kasomwach Haye Kamoy Cheo, Mekonoptasan Secondary Division, Mawapar Youth o MHS High School Pachuan Patar o Oralapan Kamoy Kasalalwach, Ye Kawait Pai o Sawas Pachel. Sagarata and Kawait Eo Pachuan Miawi, Sang Sok Machel Kopnan Wayne Ponpe, the Honorable Stevenson A. Joseph, o Yech Me Pachuan Nanachingal Sagarata.
Kailangan kami pinintay ng QMC. Kapatuan ko din o kadyan. Nasan sa karataan. Katuwa. Siya sa dahil ng mundo ko sa matansa ko ng Paro. Senior Pastor Dionet. Kadyan patuan ko yan. Kadyan Diego. Katuwa lang. Sa kadyan ko mo ko. Sa kadyan namin. Pwede ko po sa mga sa kadyan ko. Dahil kadyan kayo. Kahit din po video, kung naman siya, apasok para sa pagkakasangkay sa pagkakasangkay. Doon, MN, exam. Pataman, one by one. Nagtaksyon, pupura na mata-mata. O sa may nitindak. At pagkatasyon ang oras pagkasayin ka ng pajawan na naman siya ka. Pagkasin pupura, MN. Video ni Naramas. Ako nagcapacapan niya, Steve, nagcapacapan, Chico Staff, nagcapacapan, Richard, nagcapacapan, kumain ko sa school. Para nagtala natin, simalit din, simalit din, kapay, wow, and schools. Kaya balik ba, ereksyon, bawat ang tradisyonal ng Pajawan ko sa paglar, kahit ko, nanagal ko, nangangayin. Pajawan ko yung ganwagi, sa paglar, nagalang kaibigan ko sa nangangayin siya. Ako'y mapwede, ako na ang meron yung kakayay tuwa sa kanang kaibigan, dahil kukuran po kapatid. Wala pa ako kukuran siya na ng kapatid. Pajawan ko sa paglar, orang nananagnan ka din o sa paglalang ng kaibigan oras ng maintenance. Puro talaan pa jote, medyo manwa o na siya sa Machayat Speaker of Congress, the Honorable Esmond Moses, Honorable Wanaki, Dean and members of the Diplomatic Corps who are present here today, the Embassy of China, the Embassy of Australia, and the Embassy of the United States. Thank you for taking the time to join us on this very momentous day in recognizing the accomplishments of our educators and most importantly, the accomplishments of our students. Appreciate your presence today. Iman-manan, muna sa kuwawat sa pagmachayag sa karoon umusukan. Manan Hatauran, Matalanim, Senior Master, Pagkakaya support sa tingkan, and Retonre. Rayakan mabigyan pagkakawin kata-katawan kau-kawin national coach dan macam-macam kita. Iman-manan, quality district administrator, the Honorable Edgar. O yung ibang korusya na kapapani sa Pagkakuin ng government. Kaya ang budget. Billman Colasek, Omaulke, Director, and Kamaran, Court, Madam Chair, Supreme Suyang Court Kan, o Kapinanchikan may ang budget. Sa national government o majority state government. Ang Helen Colasek, Omaulke, Kunyaban Kanban Kamaray ng sa pagkachayang government lapit na kasan, yay, so governments, the way ng Diyola, yung umikan na yan, budget. I wish to also recognize our partners. I've already recognized our diplomatic corps, and I wish to also include this recognition to UNICEF and other organizations that are here that I cannot see. Thank you for your presence today. Even Madam Mawaki, my Shukatan, Jewish group, the teachers and the students. Because you are the very reason that we are here today, to recognize your accomplishments. So with that, on behalf of the Joseph and Moving Administration, we would like to extend our humble gratitude and thanks, first to the teachers, and second to the students who have performed well and will be recognized momentarily. When Madam Orlegi, Papa Nonokan, Orosi, Benene, kung kumasok sa pagmamayan, Kaplan, o sa pagpasahit sa Rika, Kaway, at amin na bakit patuloy yan natin, pasahan school, sosya, dan pasahan natin patuloy. Kailangan ng pramay. Medyo manuwa ang korusya. It takes a village to raise a child. That is our theme for this year's Education Day. While this may be true in most societies, in the context of the Pohnpei culture and values, it is very, very, very true. I was raised by an auntie. In fact, as a young boy, I regard my auntie as my mother because she spent most of the time taking care of me while my mother is at work. Assisted by my grandparents. So I grew up harnessing the values that my grandparents had when they were growing up, as well as my auntie. And they lived through very hard times. They lived through during the World War II. There were times where they had no food. The father or their mother had to go out and search food for the entire day so that they can put food on the table. That is the kind of sacrifice that this generation did for me, which allowed me now that I have a better life they should strive for. They should strive for a better life than what your parents can afford you today, so that you can carry on to your children someday. So coming back to our theme for Pohnpei, it's very true. And we should hold that value very dearly to our hearts. However, it's been my personal observation these days, and I think I can take the blame for it. This generation, my generation, who has kids now and some of us are grandparents, I think we kind of broke that value. We now want to hoard our children and raise them ourselves, which is, there's nothing wrong with it. But I think we should do so in the context of our culture and our tradition, keeping in mind that these children are not our own. We are custodians of them. It is our job to raise them in accordance to biblical teachings and in accordance to our value of life here. So while our dynamics in the family system is slowly shifting and changing to resemble what is outside of our society, I think for us parents, especially my generation, our generation, we must be very careful. Because after all, education starts in the house. So in the broader context of this theme, if we really sit down and look at it, it also rings true. Because we are first taught in the home. And then when we reach school age, then we start our schooling, in which we spend most of our time with our teachers. So that's the government's role in bringing you up. At the same time, during the weekends, we go to church. And we hear sermons from our pastors like Pastor Ted and deacons like Deacon Henry, in teaching us values from the Bible and how we should live our lives. That is another form of education. Yes. And also these days, we have access to the outside world through the internet, through social media, which can be good, and I also could say which can also be bad. So it is very incumbent upon the education system, the government, the parents, to make sure that how our children use social media doesn't influence them in a way that will change their mindset and forget that they are Pohnpeians first. So I've always said this every opportunity I have, and I will say it again, mainly to us policy makers, policy implementers, administrators, teachers, that it is time for us to reevaluate our education system. I believe we have enough data somewhere to gather all this data and measure this data against what we think we've accomplished through the system that we have adopted all these years. And perhaps if there is room for any modification, we should do it. But specifically the modification that I am talking about is bringing back the teaching, make teaching of our values, our Pohnpeian way of life, first and foremost. If we are grounded in those values, anything outside of those values, whether it's good or bad, we will have the ability to determine what we use and what we not use in the context of our Pohnpeian family. So, I want to extend my appreciation to our development partners, particularly the United States. The United States have funded our education system since even before the Compact. The Compact, we are now in Compact 3. The first Compact was 15 years. The United States funded our education for 15 years. The second Compact, 20 years. The United States funded our education for another 20 years. That makes 35 years. This Compact that we are now in is 20 years. The United States will continue to fund our education for another 20 years, so we can say for a total of 55 years. So I pose some questions to us leaders today. Is this the way it's going to be? Now we will continue to rely on outside resources to educate our children? I don't have the answer, but we must find the answer. And of course, I extend my gratitude to the government of Australia and China. There are many programs that they have according to our students. Australia affords or reports full scholarships to high school graduates for undergraduate programs and postgraduate programs. Everything paid for. Even vacation, right, Ambassador? When you come back home, they pay for it. So that's something to keep in mind, students. Why you may want to go elsewhere for education, but sometimes the dollar dictates where you can go. We are fortunate that Australia has that program for us. Likewise, government of China. We have had few, and it's growing, students going to China to receive their education, both undergraduate and postgraduate. And I want to, on behalf of the European people, want to extend our gratitude and appreciation for those assistances. And of course, UNICEF, your WASH programs and other many programs that you are doing, gardening tools, gardening programs that you are rolling out in our respective school in the MSS, particularly in Bombay. Thank you, UNICEF. This is very much in line with my food security policy, where we instill in our young minds that growing food is very important. Now we should try to grow our own food first and rely on those resources so that we don't panic when ships don't come in and we hear that there is no more rice. We don't rush to the store and buy up all this rice, and then in the process, these businesses, they jack up the prices of rice, sometimes 2 times, 3 times. That's one way we can control price. It's not to rely on these things that are coming in. Because once these things sit on the shelf and it's not moving, these businesses will lower the prices. The notion and idea of government meddling into business dynamics and controlling the price, let's not entertain that. It should solve itself. And price control starts with us, the people. And the way to do it, let's grow our own food. Let's get used to eating taro. Let's get used to eating breadfruit. Let's get used to eating banana. Let's get used to eating yam. Very nutritious. Yes. We need to change our mindsets. So in saying all this is what it means. It takes a village to raise a child. Not the little village, but the community and society as a whole. Families have their part, government has its part, religion has its part, and society as a whole has its part. And in collaborating together, correctly and rightfully, there is no limit for our children. Kailangan ng pagkakaro siya, kailangan ng director, kung may programa sa payagan ka dyan, katuan lang ka. Inansyan ng kapiyahan siya. Magayon ko sa buwan, may katuan na tinatawa. Kailangan siya karos ng tingkap na tinatawa. Kakakakachan-chan ito. Dami kakuya. Kahit ang dami ang government kakuya. Congress ka kuya. Dami President of Kabanagaw. Dami ka kuya. Sinabos may ka kuya na kakak, ibis pamawya na. Asunin siya. Ano makajay, boros ba na siya kung mata-matao? That mindset. Dami ka kuya ka kasyata. Ibis pa, kasyata. Ito pa na ito. Kalau na siya, saya bakal kasih. Hey, ada ni government level. Government can only do so much. Government appoint, natin pisan. Appoint chip, kaya natin kawin sa sumata, nola baba, usap, Valencia, Umocho, ibo ko na ang gawin ng pagpapawin niya dyan sa mga. When you govern, China American government because of the strong opposition. Government ay naramas. Naramas. Engagement magkakaroon pagpatuloy ng government. Balitaw ng kids sa taong kuya meron sa bahan sa mata-mata ng bahan mawang. Yet mawang. Tama niya siya. Kareta, the voice of the people is very important. Raise your voices if you have concerns. Let us know about it. Let us know when. And keep raising it until we do something. Alam ko po ako siya once na naman siya
sa karatan Kawait Watch, Pileo Kamwaj, o Mech Konoptasang Sampatak, Principal o Chon Tatakan Karos and Wayne Kaji. Pabosilanan program yay Pachatan Award Kan, o Pali and Award Committee sang Education Main Office, Met Pachawantar Award Pukach, Ong Chung School Kan Mapoitar Nan Palian Porsak School, Sari Machingalan ki 4.0 Cumulative GPA, o Sari School Kan Mapoitar Nan Skam Kan, Tenan Kasyay Kan, Marasong Nan Palian Kamatong, Nan Palian Debate, Nan Palian Math, English, o Pil Science. O kasi kan makun ko nabtang sa machel sari kan moin ponpil. Murin pachutan award ang Chun School kan ayay kamoy kasalel eo mako nabtasan Chun tatakan and Early Childhood Education te ECE o aralapen ko pochech pachuan lakapon muiwech melel awutan mimire. Pabosla ng program yay pachutan award kan ang sambatakan o principal Hong Teacher of the Year Award ng Ewell School, Principal of the Year, Staff of the Year, Overall Teacher of the Year Award, ECE Supervisor of the Year, o Overall Principal of the Year Award. Pachatang Sagas Choror Pilbachuan Yawi Ang Chong School Kan of Melel, High School Kan Wayne Ponpei, Sang Poklakaw. O Miss Mary Ellen Silpanus Mapachuan Patar, Pachitan Sagas Pukach. Sakaratan Rajti, Pachuan Miawi sang Madam Chairwoman and Board of Education, Miss Phyllis Silpanus. Nanachingal Sakarata, Pachuan Mia Chingal Kapung, Puaki Uchuch Panang School, Panaynay, Palian Kampan Kamarain, Ochon Wayon Sok, Mek Kapayatan Program Kasampal, Mayay Education Day para Ekatri sa Puno. Dapat wala o paki, uchuchwach hen paposla, o kuchailan eo pana, uchuch pana, pokchailan ka kakairata so machail ta chay chungal starika. Kapakap hen rachingati pachuan yawi, samtikan hen retonra, o yay makaim sakala program and education day para yagdri sa puno. Kalanganin kupur koras main komech yaw taban sok machero Rongen Rahnwet pachuan luklukacha kupurakan and gachin sa Bali Radio Physics Age ang rong kapakan mepankin pachoto mo. Kalanganin kupur koras o kasaleria main ko.